How to fix Instagram can't reply on Android or iOS phone. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram can't reply on Android or iOS phone. First thing you need to do here is to go to Play Store and then make sure your Instagram is updated. As you see, there's no update here for me, but you can find here an update. And if that doesn't fix your problem or you can't find any updates, then just go to settings, scroll down until you find storage, then click clean up, make sure you have enough space, then restart your phone and try again. And if that also doesn't fix it, then all you need to do just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And if that doesn't fix it, now it means that you need to change your account. And I hope that can fix your problem. Please don't forget to like and see you in the next video.